Hey guys, I hope you enjoy this lesson inspired by Elyse Dodge, a cool Canadian digital artist. She uses geometric patterns and to fragment up the landscapes. It's pretty cool. So I try to modify it so it's something for you guys to be able to do at home. Maybe you don't have all the supplies you need. So check this video out, enjoy it, comment below, let me know if you'd like me to make some other videos and what your suggestions are. Take care. Stay safe, stay healthy. We got this, guys. Hey guys, it's super important at this stage to draw with pencil instead of marker, because you'll end up making a mistake that you can't erase if you use marker. So always remember to use pencil first. For this part, what I'm doing here is filling in all of the space in the mountain using triangles. Try to have a wide variety of triangles, don't make them all the same size. This will make the mountain look more like rocks and create some sort of texture. By blending colors, this will help to allow you to make more colors if you're limited with the amount of colored pencils that you have. So definitely try to blend colors when you can. Now what I'm using right there is called a colorless blender. There is no pigment or white or any color inside this pencil. It's just a tool to use to blend colors together to make it look more like paint. If you don't have a colorless blender, you could use a white pencil. It will just change the color a little bit. For this last section, what I'm doing here is I'm using just water and a clean brush. Make sure your brush is clean, because if you have any paint on it, it will affect the color of the marker that you use.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
So coming up is my finished piece. Hopefully yours came out just as awesome. Take care.